Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, the 8th of April, 2019. In math, we've got independent practice 16.1 tonight. You're doing problems 5 through 7 and 9 and 10 on that page for regular math. Honors math, I'm not exactly sure which problems you are or are not doing. In science, there is no homework. We do have our History of the Earth quiz on Friday. If for some reason you are leaving early for spring break, you need to make arrangements with Miss Falk to take it earlier. In social studies, we need to finish our religion chart. We also need to study for our religion test, which is tomorrow. Your notes as well as the religion chart will be a good thing to do, as well as the reading packet. In language arts, there is no homework. Remember, this is Spirit Week, and tomorrow is Wear a Hat Day. You can wear a hat for $1. And then our mini presentation on famous people of the 1930s that we started last Thursday, that is due tomorrow. Make sure that you're following the criteria that Mrs. Shaver has set out on her classroom page for literature. That's it for today. Everyone have a great Monday.